Hey guys, Tiffany here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys know, I post new videos each and every Thursday. Hey guys, this is the grand staircase at Fort Belle Fontaine Park. Fort Belle Fontaine, 1806 to 2006. Here is a beautiful view from up top stairwell, overlooking the river. Absolutely gorgeous. So they also have these lanterns on all sides and up top, so the boats knew where they were going when they imported the goods. It also kept people warm, my friend said. Made it to the bottom of the staircase. They got this cool little path people have been walking on. And this is where they imported and exported goods for the base here on the Missouri River. Stunning views, love it. Got this gazebo on the property. Inside the gazebo, the roof is completely gone. Some of it's deteriorating over here. Wow, this is really cool. Really cool. Look at the views they had from this. Absolutely beautiful. Throughout the property too, they have a bunch of old buildings like this. Like an officer's suite or something like that. So there's a cave back in here. Wow, we can't even see, but there's a cave down here. I'm not going in it. They got a cave behind the fountain. Wow, that is pretty cool. The tree collapsed on the fountain, and then there's a little cave back in there that I just showed you guys. And this is an old shower house. This is like so old. I love all the character. Old shower house. Look at the inside. No roof, of course. All the trees have overgrown. All the ivory. This is so cool. This is why I love hiking. We're walking through it. It's like a little pathway, and we're out. Now we're gonna walk to the main. Then we have this. I know I say the word cool a lot in my videos, but this is pretty fucking cool. Very cool. Like, look at so much character. Old limestone. Like, it don't get any better than this. guys. I'm trying to do something cool walking down the stairs. Did it work? Hey guys, check this out. We also have natural spring water here. Look, got a whole ant family. They're just chilling ants. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video. That was me walking through Fort Belle Fontaine Park. It's super hot, super sweaty, but I wanted to come through, show you guys the grand staircase, the shower house. We got the pavilion. We also did some nature trails too, which were a lot of fun. Definitely a must-see. If you guys are in the area, you should check it out. And smash the thumbs up and subscribe for more. We out! Thank you guys for me reaching 2,000 subscribers on my channel. And if you like this content, please subscribe for more. Eventually one day I see myself making an independent film, so all the support and love definitely helps.